Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your Credit Karma account if you no longer have access to the email linked to it. First, go to the Credit Karma website or open the Credit Karma app. On the login screen, tap or click on the option that says Forgot Password or Trouble Signing In. Next, instead of trying to reset your password through email, look for an option that lets you verify your identity another way. Credit Karma may ask for information like your name, date of birth, social security number, or answers to security questions to confirm it's really you. After completing the identity verification steps, you may be given the option to update or replace the email address on your account. Enter a new email address that you currently have access to. Once the new email is added, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and regain access to your account. If you don't see an option to recover your account without email, scroll down and look for a link to contact Credit Karma support. From there, submit a request explaining that you no longer have access to the original email and need help recovering your account. After support reviews your request and verifies your identity, they'll help you restore access and update your account information. And that's how you recover your Credit Karma account without access to your email. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.